Hey everyone, this is Paul from Paul's Garage. I don't know what I'm doing. Hey everyone, welcome to Paul's Garage, and today I'm doing a little something different. Instead of being in the garage, I'm over here working on my pinball machine. All right, the Mando Mandalorian, and I've got the playfield up, as you can see. And we're going to install, what are we installing today? Well, let's see, I'm going to install the stern shaker motor limiter installation instructions, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, one of those. So anyway, join me. Okay, so first off, I ordered this kit here. Looks like it comes with the board from Anarchy PCB. And what this should do is it's supposed to chill out my shaker. I love the shaker. I liked it turned up, but man, the vibration's pretty crazy, especially at the end of this game. When it does the match, it just, man, you feel like the whole thing's gonna rattle apart. So this is supposed to subdue the end result of that. I guess their motto here. Where's the motto? Shake, not vibrate. Cool. Well, I hope this really works. Here's a nice picture of it here. And there's the part number and whatnot. You can get it from your local retailer, wherever you want to choose to go. It comes with these instructions. Kind of tells you what's going on and everything's pretty basic, pretty straightforward, but just in case. On this system, the board is actually a cabinet board, a node board, and it's down here like, whoa. Let's see if I can do this as unprofessionally as possible. If you see right down here, it's pointing out this far lower right where it's blue and red. You're gonna want to yank that sucker out of there carefully and gingerly. You want to be nice, which is cool. And then you're supposed to take this unit, see if I can do this. I've never tried this with one hand. I don't know all you guys out there doing all this stuff all the time, but hey, that's cool. So it looks like the cord is pretty lengthy. Boing, 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 boing. Anyway, so that's cool. And it says to take one end and plug it in to there, which is right in there. Boom, right in there. I can actually see where blue and red is red. Blue and red is red. So that'll be a no-brainer, right? Yeah, that's what they all say. So blue is to the right. And you can also look inside to see where the, see there's a white plug in there, plastic piece. It doesn't allow you to go. Yeah, there you go. See where the 4 prongs are? And there's an open space. So that's cool. It's just wonderful. So it goes in like that. And then it gives you some happy screws to screw it in place down there at the bottom here somewhere. So I'm going to do that. Here's the unit here. I'm going to install it right here. It comes with 4 screws. And I've gently started each one a little bit together, make sure I got it all lined up. And it's just a basic, not over tightening. Just get it in there a little secure and try not to screw it up and accidentally go doop and just mess it all up, and then you're like all sad and gotta buy another one, right? So then we will just, it's so, you know, it's real basic, plug and play, which is real nice. It's rare we get those things, right? Usually got to take the whole world apart on our older machines. But this new fancy one, should work, and hopefully this will help. There's no adjustments or anything. So I can see here already that the factory one that was originally hooked up to right here, it's just looped here. And I'm gonna want to give it a little room. So I'm gonna just pop that bad boy out of there. Now I got all kinds of room. Woohoo! So now we have our two ends here. And according to the directions, right? One of those fails, read directions. So the included harness goes into the J1 on the board, and the shaker motor, let's see, and the shaker motor J2. All right, so on the board here, if I get some, I can't see. So let's see here, if I got a little happy flashlight, it's written on the board, which is nice. And so below here it says J2, up here it says J1. All right. So J1, basically looping it through, which is kind of cool. And then again, you know, you have your little blank spot here, and your blank spot here, which is pretty cool. Even a dummy like me can do this. Hey, you big dummy. All right. You know what I'm saying? Let me take this one. There's the blank one. All right. So just go the blank one. There we go. So basically we're going out of the board into here, and out of this board into here. Right? I'm sorry. Yeah. From here to there, and then there out to the happy little happy shaker. I probably clean some of this up if I want to get crazy. Probably just re-loop this in here. It's not really, don't want to, you know, put too much tension on anything. I don't want to do that. I could do this like so. Let's put this bad boy in here. Ugh. Just like that. Cool. So now it, you could get crazy and you could like tie these together or whatever, but I think it'll be alright in there. Just want to make sure that everything's cool. This is how all this was factory, just blopping around, whatever. Slapping it together. Anyway. So there we go. So, let's check it out. So it all put back together. We'll see what happens. This is just my Mando Pro, heavily modded. A lot of fun though. Okay, so a little vibration there. Concentrating on the vibration instead of playing, but boy, it's
We'll take care of it.
seems a little mellower. feel it, but I can feel it really well, but I don't have that extra vibration at the end, like almost a tickle vibe. I don't know, hard to say, but anyway, it's tamer. I didn't have to turn it down. I have it at the factory setting. So yeah, it's not bad.
The rhydonium is still stable.
Huh.
You get one shot.
Yeah, it's moving around. But it doesn't feel like I turned it down. It's hard to describe. It is. It's better though. And it's not rattling my glass like crazy, which is nice. But I can feel it. And it's not interfering with the game, which is really cool. Too bad.
Shoot the spinner.
Shoot the spinner! Anyways. Hard enough to let the ball die, you know what I'm saying? Okay.
You'll get them next time.
Sure I will. Okay, it's moving. Now here's the big one at the end. Let's see how this feels. Oh, I thought it was over. Anyways.
Skill shot. Capture the mist wall. Good luck with that one, Mando.
Anyway, let's just see what it does.
Don't go anywhere.
Oh, I'm going somewhere.
Not the skills you thought you had.
Alright, let's see how this feels now at the end here. Oh, it just wants to keep giving me balls, man.
Skill shot.
It's like, don't give up now. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Okay, shooting gun's gone. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, it definitely toned it down. It's not all crazy.
See you next time, Mando.
Yeah, so I think overall it works really well. Well, that's it for me. Hope it helped you out. And have a super day. And later on at Paul's Garage, I'm working on mini bikes and stuff like that. So anyway, I do a bunch of stuff. So anyway, see ya.